What causes blower wheels to become unbalanced? Blower wheels become unbalanced when dirt, debris, damage, moisture, or loose parts make their weight uneven as they spin. A blower wheel is the round fan inside a furnace, air conditioner, or air handler that pushes air through the ductwork. The most common cause is dust and sticky dirt collecting on only some of the blades, especially when the air filter is dirty or missing. Small objects such as insulation pieces, leaves, or bits of a damaged filter can also stick to the wheel and change its balance. A cracked, bent, or dented blade can make one side heavier or farther from the center. Sometimes a factory balance clip comes loose, although this is less common. Worn motor bearings, a bent motor shaft, or a loose set screw can make the entire wheel wobble even when the wheel itself is clean. Moisture can create rust, and rust can add weight or weaken the metal. Turn off power before inspecting the wheel, then look for buildup, bent blades, rubbing marks, loose hardware, and water damage, but have a qualified technician remove the wheel or check the motor if anything is damaged. One common mistake is replacing the motor without cleaning and inspecting the wheel first, so check both parts before choosing a repair. Another mistake is scraping dirt off unevenly or bending blades while cleaning, so use a soft brush and keep the blade shape unchanged. People also sometimes ignore a new vibration because the system still blows air, but vibration can loosen fasteners and damage bearings, so shut it down and arrange an inspection when the noise suddenly changes. Do not add homemade weights to correct the problem because the proper balance must be measured with the wheel and motor together. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.